What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the whey protein from Ancient Nutrition. I got two other flavors. I got the vanilla bean and I got the chocolate peanut butter flavor. And so today I'm going to share with you the pros and cons, what I like and dislike about this particular line of products within the Ancient Nutrition brand, their whey protein powders. So first things first, they are grass-fed. There's 23 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty good. 23 grams is definitely on the higher end, which I like. And then they add A2 milk protein. A2 milk protein is from A2 cows and it's more absorbable by your body. So I do like that as well, that it's grass-fed, high amount of protein, and then A2. So far, so good. So far, everything's good. And then in regards to the actual blend itself, it's basically the same in both formulas. They use grass-fed whey protein concentrate, and they use organic regenerative A2 non-fat milk protein concentrate, and then eggshell membrane collagen. So that's the main base of both of these flavors, and then the other ingredients are just different. So the chocolate one, for example, chocolate peanut butter, is Dutch cocoa powder, natural flavors, sea salt, monk fruit extract, stevia leaf, and sunflower lecithin, and it contains peanut, milk, and egg. And then this one just contains milk and egg, natural vanilla flavor with other natural flavor, monk fruit extract, and sunflower lecithin. So I'll tell you what I like and I don't like about these. What I like is that they're grass-fed and 23 grams of protein is high. A2 milk protein is awesome. Eggshell membrane collagen is also awesome because this is a very good bioavailable source of protein. What I'm not a huge fan of overall is whey protein is a byproduct protein of basically dairy production. So in my opinion, it's definitely not, I mean, it's good, but I don't think it's the best. I also don't like that both of them say natural flavor, but this one says natural flavors. Chocolate peanut butter says natural flavors, and this one says natural vanilla flavor with other natural flavor. I don't know why it says that twice, kind of strange, makes me question things a bit. And then I will say also, monk fruit extract, this one has monk fruit, and this one has monk fruit and stevia leaf. This one, I remember both of them actually, for me, just being a bit too sweet. I'm not really a sweet person. I like sweet, but it was just a little too sweet. So I wasn't a huge fan of that. I also don't really like that they come in plastic tubs because they take up a lot of room, and then you have to like get rid of these in your trash or recycle. I'm not a huge fan of that. I'd rather have it be in bags personally. But overall, I mean, I'd give these products a good ranking overall. I mean, like I said, good source of protein, a lot per serving. A2 milk is good, grass-fed is good. I don't know if it's pasture raised. It could just be grass-fed in a barn though. That's the only kind of question I have. But overall, pretty good quality product and a good brand overall. I will say, however, that it's not my favorite protein. There's a few other brands I like a little bit more. This brand is called Lineage. They have their protein in a bag, which I like because it takes up less room. And then when I get rid of it, it also takes up less room just in general, just less plastic waste. With this, it's 20 grams of protein per scoop and it's beef protein isolate. It's also grass-fed. But then they also have grass-fed organs such as heart, liver, kidney, spleen, and pancreas, which is great because if you're looking to build strength, your liver is your fat metabolism and protein metabolism organ. So that just adds another layer of giving your body the nutritional composition necessary in order for when your body receives protein to absorb it at a higher level. And then it also has 250 milligrams of colostrum. Colostrum is really good for your gut health. It's very calorically dense. High in fat, and it helps to absorb nutrients at a higher level. And then a blend of berries, pomegranate, blackberry, blackcurrant, grape, blueberry, cranberry, raspberry, maqui, acai, and acerola berry. And they're all organic. And then the other ingredients are organic. There's a little bit of organic coconut sugar, but it doesn't taste too sweet. Like the monk fruit and stevia just tastes too sweet to me. And then organic alkalized cacao. They also have plain, by the way, which doesn't taste good as chocolate, and there's no organic coconut sugar. But anyways, and then organic coconut water powder and sea salt. So you're getting electrolytes, you're getting the organ meats, and you're getting the colostrum, and you're getting the protein. So in terms of like muscle building and strength, this formula is exceptional, and this tastes so good. It's slightly chocolatey and slightly salty, and I don't really taste the berries too much. I think the berries kind of even out the organs. I typically will add this to Greek yogurt and it's absolutely delicious. So personally, I like this a little bit more than the Ancient Nutrition. Not a little bit more, a lot more, because it's not just protein. You're getting all these other nutrients and things that improve your absorption in the gut. And I just keep getting this. The Ancient Nutrition I got and I was like, it's all right. But this, I'm like, I really like it. So I really like this Lineage brand. I'll put the link below. That's like 15% off. They have the plain one in the chocolate. So I do recommend that a little bit more. And then another brand that I really like is called Paleo Valley. They have bone broth protein. They have whey protein as well. And they come in bags once again like this, so you can fit them in your pantry a lot better. And it's just less plastic waste. Like, we need to stop using plastic tubs. I really hope companies just use bags, or even there's another company called Heart and Soil, which is a sister company to Lineage. They have a whey protein that I really like too, that's in a cardboard tub. So I'll link that up below too, because I have a discount code for this. I have a discount code for Heart and Soil whey protein. If you do want whey protein, this is beef protein isolate, or you can get bone broth protein, which is this, which is specifically tailored for your gut health. So this is, and it's less protein per scoop. I think it's like 14 grams, but then it has organic coconut milk, organic vanilla. It does have monk fruit, and then a little Ceylon cinnamon and salt as well. Ceylon cinnamon is really good for balancing blood sugar levels. In fact, Ceylon cinnamon is the cinnamon for balancing blood sugar levels. So I really like Paleo Valley. I'll put a link below for this. They have a bone broth protein and a whey protein. So if you want whey or bone broth protein, bone broth is more gonna be for gut health, whey is gonna be more for muscle. I really like this brand, and the link below will give you 15% off. Lineage is probably my favorite, to be honest, right now. This stuff is absolutely incredible, considering you get the protein, the organ meats for organ health, which help to metabolize your fat and protein. And then you get the colostrum, which helps to improve your gut health and nutrient absorption, so they actually absorb at a higher level. And then that huge berry blend, and then the coconut water powder and sea salt. So you're getting electrolytes, and you're getting all these antioxidants, and you're getting, you know, improved nutrient absorption along with the protein. Like, you can't beat this product. So personally, right now, Lineage Provisions, this is my personal favorite. But once again, I really like Paleo Valley too, because they have some bone broth. Oh, and the thing I like about their bone broth proteins, they also have ones that are, like, they have vanilla and chocolate and plain, but they also have like a hearty flavored one for like soups and things. So if you just want to add protein to your soups or broths, this company is amazing. And that's really good, because then you can incorporate it into your diet a little bit more, and it makes it easier. So that's why I always have Paleo Valley's protein powder, bone broth protein on hand, specifically for gut health. This is the vanilla, but I really like the savory ones as well. And then Lineage and Heart and Soil. So those are honestly, personally, better in my opinion than these. You know, these are good, but I don't know, they're just a little too sweet for me. And I'm not a huge fan of the natural flavors. They both have them, and I don't know what they are, and that's questionable. So I think they can do a bit better there, and I don't like the big plastic tubs. They take up a lot of room. You gotta get rid of them. You gotta recycle them, throw them out, whatever. So anyways, with that being said, check out Lineage Provisions and Paleo Valley below, as well as Heart and Soil. Those are the brands that I like a little bit more for protein quality, ensuring high quality, and also getting other nutrients that help the protein absorption in your body, so that your body is taking that in properly. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. I'll put that in the comments below. I've vetted all these brands as a health and wellness coach. There's going to be free shipping, discount codes, and all sorts of special offers, organic coffee like behind me, and so much more. So check out that link below. Make sure to leave your comments and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.